And then the last thing I'd like to do here before we start getting onto the games is a little bit of a experience for me, and for you as well, maybe. If you like to know what I mean by that, I'm going to do some things on camera. And what things, you may ask? Well, so when I recently picked up a job, I realized I didn't have a lot of masks. I had like a reusable mask or two laying around, but I figured I should probably get something a little better than that, especially because the ones I had, I'm getting a little paranoid about, so I just wanted to order some masks online, and I did, and I got them. They actually came today. But along with that, I ended up going down a rabbit hole, as I tend to do when I buy things online, because I'm a temptation likes to get me. But temptation for what, you might ask? Well, some of these guys. They're Japanese Kitkats. I've always wanted to try some of these, and they just got into my head because I saw a video or two about them, and I'm like, do I want these? And I looked them up, and I'm like, oh, I could get... Okay, I'll get one bag. No, wait, maybe I'll get two for the free shipping. No, wait. There... Maybe three? No. Oh, but there's this pack that gives me 4 for the price of 3. So now I have 4 different bags of Kitkats, of Japanese Kitkats. So I'm gonna try them. Because I figured I may as well share this reaction with all of you. And I was gonna do this on Sunday with Pokemon, but whatever, they're here. I want to be able to eat them on stream. So, and I don't want to hold off for like a half a week just having these bags in my room, because you know how hard that's going to be for me. All right, so here we have the regular green tea Kit Kats, the ones I've heard so much about. And honestly, these are smaller than I thought they'd be. But I'm not complaining entirely. They're in good shape. I'm glad they're not melted or anything. Figured since it's February. I mean, it's March. Holy shit. March. I wouldn't have to worry about that. So, okay. Don't ask me why I need to get a full flavor palette. That's why I'm smelling them. It's not anything weird. Okay? Alright. So... And just in case anything goes wrong, got my coffee, as usual. Alright, so here we go. It's pretty good, yeah. Maybe because, and you know, I'm sorry for just, you know, chewing through all of this. That's what you don't see in the videos of this, where they get to cut all that out. I would do that normally, but I'm live, so I can't really do that. That is really good. Oh, okay, now, the aftertaste. Okay, I'm getting a little more of the green tea in the aftertaste. That's pretty good. Like, don't get me wrong, that is still really, really good. Like, I could eat a lot of those. But they definitely feel more like Kit Kats than green tea. Like, I was expecting a little more green tea flavor, but even as it is, I think that's still pretty good. I do like that. I can eat a lot of those. Keep them away from me. Okay. Yeah, really good aftertaste on them too. It definitely has that green tea aftertaste. I wish I had green tea more. I mostly just have black tea when it's casual drinking. But like when I go out to places and I buy things that are, or teas that have different flavors, I usually go for green tea. Maybe a bit of a lemon tea, because those are pretty good, like a Caddyshack or something. Good stuff. Oh, my favorite college combos, actually. Oh, hang on, let me grab another thing. Next we have also green tea, but it's like the adult version of it. It's supposed to be like a little more bitter. I'm not quite sure what the full distinction is. Let me try to open it long ways, because I'm going to be giving one of these bags as a gift to someone, so try to see if I can open them a little more nicely. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Sack. But one of my favorite college combos when I was, you know, still walking around there was, and not online, was going to the bookstore and then grabbing a $1 can of this green tea blend, or this green tea can, and a bag of flavor blasted goldfish. Because it didn't cost a lot, and it got me a lot of mileage. It was great. And then they stopped selling the goldfish for a little bit, and I'm like, oh damn. And then they brought them back, but then they're not selling the green tea stuff anymore. They still sell the brand, but the green tea is not there, which is a shame because it was my favorite flavor. Oh well. Alright, so this is the more bitter, adult-oriented green tea. And go open it. You know, I was curious as to why people would say this is more bitter. I'm like, how do you make a candy more bitter? Maybe because I just don't have that much experience with candy. I see what they mean. I see what they mean. It's definitely got a bitter thing going, but it's still kind of sweet. It's hard to describe. Yeah, again, that's pretty... It's weird because I think I like them both on a similar level, but for different reasons. Like this, I like the aftertaste. This is still pretty good generally, and I really like the aftertaste. I think I like this more when I'm eating it, but the aftertaste isn't quite as good. So I'm not sure which I prefer. But they're both pretty good. It's a shame that these don't get sold around, outside of Japan much. I'm not sure why. I mean, okay, green tea. I guess, you know, tea flavors, and also I have this black tea, which I think is like green tea but roasted. Or the same kind of tea as the green tea, but it's roasted. Although, I also saw it was just being called black tea, which I'm more familiar with. So who knows? Maybe I'll have more of a solid opinion on this one. Because I don't drink green tea too much, but I drink a lot of black tea. But I mean, I get why they wouldn't sell as many tea flavors in America or outside of Japan, because it's more of a Japan thing. I mean, a lot of people drink tea in America, of course, but like green tea especially, I would see why. And that's more of a typical flavor than this, which I didn't really hear too much about, so. Right? Yeah. And you know what? I might feel a little weird because it's me eating on stream, but honestly, it's less weird than the whole kids meal thing that I was doing. I feel less weird than that, so that's probably a good thing. All right, so here's the roasted one. I should probably be holding this up to the camera actually. Here's the roasted one. Sorry if it doesn't focus on it. I can't tell. All right. Here we go. Ooh. Immediately, I can feel like the roastedness of it. Yeah, that's really nice. It's like it like immediately hits you with some of that roasted scentedness, and then it like transitions over to specifically like a wafer, but maybe with like dipped in a little bit of tea. It's weird to say it's very wafery considering it's Kitkat. They're already wafers, but this one especially gives that taste. Yeah, again, really good. I might like that. Might be my favorite. I don't know. That one spoke to me a little bit. I'd have to try a little more. I have to eat them a little more to get a solid opinion, but that might be my favorite. And when I mention bringing flavors to other countries, I can understand these. I can understand these being like a mainstay of Japan and not much anywhere else, because it's like tea, and tea is a bigger thing in Japan. I mean, of course, a lot of us drink tea over here, but you know. But then you have flavors like strawberry, and this feels like it would be a no-brainer. It's because it's like a fucking, it's strawberry. That's such a common flavor. I don't understand why they wouldn't just sell this. They really don't do much with Kitkats over here. I think there's been a mint flavor recently that's been going around, but other than that, nothing. But yeah, the last one we've got here is strawberry. The pack I saw where I got this, originally it was not strawberry but cheesecake, and I would have liked that a little more because I would have liked to try that out. But whatever. It was basically, I mean, this whole package is like, yeah, you could get 3 packs separately, or you could get this and you could pay an extra $2 and you get another bag. So I'm like, fuck it. Also, just in case for the camera, here's what the more bitter green tea looks like. And here's the plain green tea. Just to give an example of what they look like. I already have them on. Alright. And I think I already showed the strawberry, just in case. Alright. Strawberry going in. I'm expecting strawberry wafers. It's not like we don't have strawberry wafers over here. Oh. That smells good. It is a strawberry wafer. And it is very good in that. Like, it is a strawberry Kit Kat. It is what you think it is. It really is. And again, I don't know why they wouldn't, like, a flavor like strawberry especially, I don't see why they wouldn't just bring overseas. Like, it's such a common flavor, strawberry, especially for wafers. So, like, I don't get why they wouldn't just sell this. Which is great. These are all great. Ooh. Kind of felt like I had a little bit of actual strawberry in there. A little bit of tartness. Mess. But yeah, it was only 4 Kit Kats, just a short thing. Overall, good experience. I understand the hype around these now, and I like that. I'm not sure. I'd probably say out of the first impressions, the roasted tea was my favorite, the black tea. But I'll tell you, I'll update you on flavor palettes when I eat a little more of them. Which might also be after this break, because I'm gonna switch to Hyrule Warriors, but I'm just gonna take a quick break first. So, back in a minute.